Hi guys, welcome back to another video and a very special video because today I'll be showing you a Solido 118 scale car, and this is available in India. It is from their regular lineup, which is not the competition lineup. A very big shout out to Solido Models and Simba Dicky Group, Simba India. Now what the model we've got today is 118 scale, and I think you already know that Solido is there. This brand is in existence since 1932, so it's a very old legendary brand. This is what the packaging looks like. We've got Solido here. The car is screwed to the base. We've got the base plate that says Alpine A110R Le Mans. We've got a window box, so this side also and this side also you've got this plastic transparent film so that you can see when the car is kept inside. Right now I've unscrewed it to be able to show it to you properly. Here we've got the details, which is not for children under 14 years, and we've got the price tag, I think somewhere over here. Here we've got the price tag. The price tag says 7699. So 7600 is the official price, and then you keep getting very good offers on these. So these are actually available at very lucrative prices these days, and Solido has done a great job filling in the budget model gap because they are making some amazing models and a variety of models. Earlier there were a few budget brands which were bringing their cars to India, but the problem was that they had a very limited lineup. Solido has got a very vast lineup, which is something which I personally really like about them. Now here we've got Renault official license products, Alpine official license, and here we've got a list of all the brands which are associated with Solido, the real car brands. Headquarters in France, and Alpine A110 Radical. Product number, serial number, that is right here in case you are interested in this model. Now enough about the packaging. We'll quickly get this out of the way and we'll come on to the model itself because this is a gorgeous model. So first of all, I mean, the angle which I'm about to show you right now is the side angle, and one thing I will say that Solido has done a genius job. Right now you see the mirrors fitted because I have fitted. What they are doing is that they are giving these mirrors as an accessory. So these mirrors, they come in a separate pouch inside the box of the car, which you'll get to see in the YouTube short unboxing video, and this is one of the most fragile parts of any car, so it actually makes the job very easy while transporting. With that out of the way, here we've got a couple of details like Alpine. Here we've got the Alpine logo. Here we've got a turn indicator, mirrors, door handles, and here we've got a bit of aero. Now the interesting thing to note here is that if you are able to look at the wheels, the wheels are made up of carbon fiber in the real car, because this actually, if I tell you about the model, this is a very exclusive model, only 100 units ever made, and that is what makes even the scale model really nice and exclusive. So the wheels, they are made up of carbon fiber in the real car, and they have been replicated so well in this. We've got the logo in the center, we've got Alpine written, we've got this blue circle, and we've got this beautiful blue accent which looks really nice. These are very nice and freely rolling. And also the interesting thing about these is that these are very nice and steerable. So you can actually steer these wheels. If you can see right now, if you want to take a picture, you want to take a still photograph, then you can just tilt them towards an angle. Now that we are talking about the side, this car has got two opening parts, which are the doors. So this car has two doors and both of them are opening. So this is what the car looks like once you open the doors. This is the look from the front. Once you come onto the front, first you'll realize that the iconic headlamps of the Alpine, they are very nicely replicated. They are proper plastic inserts with some great projector headlamp detailing inside. Here also, centrally aligned Alpine logo with the name of the car written right here. Very nicely done. Another very special feature about this car is that for weight reduction, the hood is also made up of carbon, and I must say that Solido has done an amazing job in replicating this. This looks so good, and the blue stripe running right from the front all the way to the rear of the car, as you'll get to see more of this model, it's just phenomenal. Wiper detailing is also there, and that is very nice, and the windshield is made up of very high quality material which is very transparent in nature. At the front, even this part which is sort of the grille has been very nicely done, and even this part which has been given a very nice carbon fiber look. Then we come on to what we can call the inside. The interiors are very nicely detailed. In the door you can see very nicely done. The car comes with closed windows, so when you shut the doors, it appears as if the windows are also closed. Inside you've got very nice details, proper race car details, and if you look closely at the steering, you will probably be able to see, if I'm turning the wheels, the steering is also moving, so the steering is connected to the wheels. Then when we shut the doors and look at this from probably this angle, the top angle, you'll realize that this carbon fiber look, it extends all the way from the hood to the roof and goes all the way till the back. So the roof is also made up of carbon fiber in the real car, and it has been replicated very well in this model. The paint finish is very good. It's this proper pearl white paint which they have used even for a scale model. Over here, if you look closely, you will probably be able to see that this has got the 24-hour of Le Mans tag, because that is the legendary race which this car has been made to commemorate. Finally, before we come on to the rear, two things. The mid-mounted engine, its engine cover is made up of carbon fiber, which looks very nice, and this part, it's the wing, which is a proper carbon fiber wing. So this whole blue and black part, this is the carbon fiber wing. Let me tell you, this is very delicate, because as you can see, it's just a little flexible and you need to handle this with great care. Then when we come on to the rear, we've got these beautiful kind of clear plastic insert tail lamps. We've got the name of the car written twice, because one is the badging, the official badging of the car, which has been replicated, and then we have got the number plate area which also states the name of the car, and just below that we have got the perfect exhaust detailing, very nicely done. If you look closely, you will realize that the rear is very complete to look at, especially because of the wing. It's a very complete look at the rear and also at the front. I'll be honest with you, I am not a lot into French cars, but when I got the opportunity to get this model, I simply could not pass it up, because this is such an iconic car and Solido has done an excellent job in perfectly replicating it. From the color to the details, all of it have been so nicely done. You might not see a lot of white color cars in my display, because I just feel it's a little plain or simple, but this with the blue accents and the carbon fiber details, it's just the right amount of classy and I love it. Let me know what did you think about this model after watching this video. Do you think it's worth the price? How did you like the details? How did you like the opening parts? Let me know all of it. And do you like Alpine? Do you like Le Mans? And do you think this is a worthy addition to anyone's 118 scale collection? Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.